Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back. Alright, so you all see the title, you all see the thumbnail, so you have an idea or curious what this video is about, yeah? Well, you guys been long awaiting this moment. You know, you guys been asking for a long time and I've been premeditating it. I was just waiting on the right time. And the good news is that Island YouTube channel has officially launched. So I created this channel, guys.
Casino.
Yeah, his channel is there, guys. Link in the description right about now. Click it, also pin in the comment section. So yeah, man, go check out Island channel. You guys want to see more often, so here we go. It's a kids channel anyway, so bear in mind there won't be any commenting on his channel because automatically that's what will happen. You know what I mean? So this is gonna be level 1, basically just showing Island day-to-day life and things like that. Level 2, we have to step it up, get some costume, you know, Island doing some little skits and things like that, and yeah, also record songs for him and all of that. So you know, we have to step up the level, but for now we're just gonna do his basic videoing and things like that. So yeah, that's what's up, especially now he can talk and everything, so I think it's a perfect time for him to have his channel. So don't forget, subscribe to Island channel right here so it start. Let's go, we on a roll. What you say, Bobo? Are you excited for your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Come, tell everyone. You excited for your YouTube channel?
Yeah, I want my bike.
Yeah, oh yes, that's a good
Dad,
one for
I
your
want
channel.
my bike.
Yeah, so
Yes.
also taught Island how to ride his bike, which is really good. You know, so right now I'm a very proud father of it, to be honest, because bought him his bike for his birthday and he has officially learned to ride it, which I'm excited. So I'm gonna get him on his bike and show you guys. All right, but it's gonna be for his channel really, so that is that.